Hi everyone, my name is Robin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually demonstrate how I use my Timewise repair set. And we're going to start, obviously, my gorgeous morning face. We're going to start with the Value Firm foaming cleanser. And to start with, I want to show you how much you use. From day one, I have always been told from everyone who has helped me get my business going is that you only need a little bit. So I usually say to my customers, a little dab will do you. So you start with little dabs on your face. That's it. That's what you do. Then you get your face wet. And you start cleaning. So, when you're doing this, just make sure you're going around in circles and you're not scrubbing real hard, but you are getting your dirt off. Don't forget your neck. We need to get all last night off of our face. And that's it. Then we take a warm, please not hot, take a warm cloth and we take it off. Notice there's not a lot of suds. I know it's called foaming, but yeah. It foams a little bit, but not a whole lot, ladies. So, and just go over it with warm, not hot water. We're not burning our face. We're just taking all the soap off. Okay, so then we pat it dry. First step done. And then the next step is we use our Volume Firm serum. Okay, and again, just one pump. And it does it, okay? Rub it. Always remember we're going up and out, up and out. Don't forget your neck. Okay, so then the next thing I do is I use, it's called Pore Minimizer Lotion. And what I do is I usually put a little dab on, okay? And then I add the replenishing serum with vitamin C and E in it. And I just add it to it. It just makes it easier. And then I do the same thing. Put it on and up and out. Everything is up and out, okay? And again, you're doing your neck. Don't forget your neck in this process. Okay, then that's done. And then we move on to our day cream with the SPF 30 in it. SPF 30 in it, okay? So again, just one pump. That's all you need. It's kind of like a vacuum thing, so you can't take it apart. So, just put it on generously. Up and out. Make sure you work it in. Yeah. Now in some cases people say, well, it makes my face greasy. Well, remember, the reason we're doing this is to hydrate. Hydrate our skin. It's not greasy, it's hydrating. Remember that, okay? And we're done. And that's all you do. And that took us less than 5 minutes to do this. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.